You say I'm a dumb bitch, so I can't preach. But you can't keep me out. You say I'm a faggot, so I can't love. But you can't keep me out. You say I'm a heretic, so I can't speak. But you can't keep me out. You say, and you say, and you say, and you say! I'm too tired to hear anymore. 'Cause you preach without love. And you love without truth. And you speak without hope, without faith. So say all you want, but I've seen the gatekeeper, and more sure than hell, it's not you. That good gatekeeper threw out the damn lock, so you can't keep me